Hello everyone, today let's discuss about inventory management software. Be at the forefront of transforming your inventory operations using inventory management software. Inventory management software minimizes inventory storage costs while enhancing customer experience. Here are some distinct features the inventory management software offers. Automate the purchase of raw materials, effortlessly manage vendors, and track order status. Perform concise stock level checks across storage locations and define reorder levels. Gain insight into inventory movement through consolidated reports and identify areas that need improvement. Stay on top of inventory updates by accessing critical inventory data over the internet. Wherever you are, trigger automated alerts whenever the stock reaches a certain threshold. Increase procurement efficiency by accelerating vendor selection process and evaluating vendor performance. Let's look at the advantages of inventory management software. Reduce instances of understocking or overstocking with accurate inventory forecasts. Easily generate stock keeping units for multiple products to save time and improve efficiency. Reduce complexities in the inventory recall process by tracking batches using the lot number. Facilitate smooth communication across teams with real-time updates on stock movement. Save money by automating repetitive tasks, reducing manual errors and increasing accuracy. Free up working capital stored in excess stocks through efficient inventory management. The inventory management software can be categorized into the following types: a suitable tool for small businesses to manually update their inventory using spreadsheets. This system maintains inventory accuracy through periodic manual counting of stock items. This is an automated software system that enables real-time counting of inventory, eliminating the need for manual counting. It's an incredibly helpful tool that uses barcode technology to scan inventory and speedily process transactions. Radio frequency identification technology uses radio waves to track unique tags assigned to each stock item. This is a system to procure goods as and when needed by the organization, to significantly reduce inventory storage costs. Inventory management software is being increasingly used across industries to meet the ever-growing challenges of inventory management. Manufacturing, retail, e-commerce, automotive. Sage X3 is an exceptional business software to forecast and maintain optimum inventory levels, offering you next-level intelligence. Gain ultimate business success by accurately tracking goods from procurement to delivery using Sage X3. Connect with us now.